Learn opposite words. Allow, forbid, give, receive, hard, soft, hail, heaven, huge, teeny, high, low, humid, dry, heavy, light, fail, pass, happy, sad. So viewers, you will learn this. Next, dirty, clean, early, late, distant, near, empty, full, true, false, easy, difficult, float, sink, follow, lead, wise, foolish, for, against. Next, active, lazy, brave, afraid, ugly, beautiful, open, close, bitter, sweet, enter, exit, deep, shallow, friend, enemy, salt, sugar, thick, thin. Next, top, bottom, tall, short, under, over, up, down, sharp, blunt, young, old, start, end, big, small, after, before, far, near. So, dear viewers, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe the channel and stay connected.